Do your videos look like this?
Hi guys, I'm Frankie. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna be, oh my God, no.
Yeah, that's rough. But hey, we've all been there. So don't worry, today we've got you covered with 3 easy video production tips that you can do today and will get your videos from zeros to heroes. The first easy tip is to separate yourself from the background. When you blend into your background too much, it distracts the viewer and takes attention away from the subject of the video. There's 2 easy ways you can change this. The first is physically moving away from your background. And by the way, we don't mean a couple inches away, we mean like as far away as possible. This makes it easier for your camera to create that nice blurry background and guide the viewer's eyes to what really matters. The second way is to create separation using light contrast. Never, and I mean never, stand with your back against a bright window. That is called being backlit, which unless you're recreating that one scene in Harry Potter where he has a vision of Dumbledore, is usually not a good look on YouTube videos. Instead, try making your background slightly darker than your subject. This will increase that separation we talked about earlier and draw attention to the right places in the frame. And here's a bonus tip. You can also create this contrast by making your background have a different color than your subject. You can use a combination of colored lights and wardrobe choices to achieve this. So now that you know how to separate yourself from your background, we can move on to tip number 2. Choosing the right lens for your videos. Believe it or not, this chunk of glass can immediately change the way your videos feel to your audience. Here's a very basic explanation. Lenses can be what we call wide, normal, or long. Normal lenses imitate what we see with our eyes,
and what we accept as normal human vision,
and are represented by focal lengths between 35 and 55 millimeters. Anything below 35 is considered a wide lens. Right now, for example, we're filming in a 16 millimeter, a wide lens. As you can see, it's very open and, well, wide. This might be very useful if you don't have a lot of room to work with. Plus, it has more of that fun YouTubey look, which can make your videos feel a little bit more dynamic. So, if your content is more towards the entertainment side of things, this type of lens might be the chosen one for you.
But I am the chosen one.
But if your videos are a little bit more serious and dramatic, you might want to go with a normal lens. Again, between 35 and 55. Here's a side-by-side comparison of what a wide and normal lens look like.
And what about long lenses like mine?
I'll spare you the trouble. Unless you have a hyper-specialized channel about wildlife photography or something where you have to record things from very far away, you probably won't need a long lens. Otherwise, you'll be stuck with something like this. Yeah, probably not. Okay, so now your frame is looking much better. But there's one last thing that so many people overlook, and it drives me nuts. Getting a microphone. Get a microphone, please. Audio is half the viewing experience on YouTube, and nothing makes people click away faster than some underwater, crunchy sounding dialogue.
I am under the water.
A simple shotgun or lavalier microphone, like the one I have here, should help your audio sound clean and crisp. That way, your audience won't have to decipher every other word you say. Plus, most mics nowadays plug straight into your phone or camera, so you don't have to worry about syncing separate audio files. And you know what? We've spared you all the research and created an Amazon storefront with all the beginner gear that we recommend to our clients. If you want to check that out, we've put that link in the description, right below the like button, which you can press too if you like this video. Quick recap. Separate yourself from the background using space and light. Choose the right lens depending on the style of your videos. And last but not least, get a microphone, please.